Oh, hey there, welcome to our TitanMind WhatsApp MCP server demo. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and use WhatsApp on TitanMind to supercharge your business communications. Let's get started. First things first, open your browser and head to platform.titanmindhq.com/engage. This is where the magic happens. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and choose settings from the drop down. On the left, you'll see a bunch of options like general settings, channels, messages, directory. Let's click on the AI section to get started. Under AI, you'll find MCP servers. Click it and you'll see four options pop up: G Sheets, Postgres, WhatsApp, and Meta Ads. Since we're talking about WhatsApp MCP today, click Configure in the top right corner of the WhatsApp option. Here, you'll need to enter your TitanMind API key and TitanMind business core. Don't worry if you don't have these yet. We'll show you how to get them next. To create your TitanMind API key, head to the Advanced option on the left side of the settings menu. Click on API keys. In the API keys interface, click Create API key. Enter your name, pick an expiry time, and your API key is generated. Make sure to copy it and save it somewhere safe, as it's only shown once. Now go back to the AI section, click MCP servers again, and hit Configure for WhatsApp. Paste the API key you just copied, then enter the TitanMind business code you received from TitanMind. Hit Save, and you're all set. Your WhatsApp MCP is now configured. Click Chat with AI on the right side of the header. This takes you to a super user-friendly interface where you can prompt the AI to do all sorts of tasks. For example, I typed show me all the templates, and just like that, TitanMind shows me all the available WhatsApp templates. Easy, right? Now let's try something else. I prompted send template number 10 to this WhatsApp number, and look at that. It sent the message right to my number. You can even create custom templates. For instance, I asked, create a template for a clothing brand. And here's the awesome template TitanMind created for me. And that's it. With TitanMind's WhatsApp MCP, you can manage conversations, send messages, and create custom templates like a pro. It's simple, fast, and perfect for businesses of all sizes.